Hello, my loves. Please like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Here I will be doing a Dr. Bronners Peppermint Soap 18-in-1 review. And right now I'm showing you how you can use this to clean out your toilet. And it's biodegradable. And I'm pouring a little bit. You don't need nothing but a dime size to a quarter size. Not even really a quarter, just a dime size. And now I'm scrubbing the toilet bowl with the Dr. Bronners Peppermint Soap. And you can actually smell the peppermint coming up in your nostrils. So it's also healthy to clean with, because when you inhale it, you can smell it. And it smells really good. And it's good for your health. So you'll see me cleaning it out real good with the Dr. Bronners Peppermint Soap. Okay, now you'll see that it's all clean and sparkly. So I really like this Dr. Bronner soap because you can do so many things with it. Now we're on to the next. Now this is my feminine hygiene, and I also use the Dr. Bronners for this as well, and I use it in the recycled bottle. So I just add some water to it, and I put a couple of dime sizes in there, and then that's my little rags that I make for my urination. Now here you have the sink that I'm cleaning out, and I reuse this Dr. Bronners in a old Dr. Bronners bottle, but I'm using the Dr. Bronners Peppermint, not the tea tree. So now I'm cleaning out the sink with the Dr. Bronners biodegradable soap. And like I said, you can do so many things with it. You can also brush your teeth and goggle with it, and you can wash your hair with it. So I'm just scraping out and cleaning out the bathroom sink. Now you can also use this for a soap dispenser. So this is my recycled soap dispenser, and I'm using the Dr. Bronners, and I recycled my soap dispenser, and you just put a couple of drops of Dr. Bronner soap. So your guests or you can wash your hands after each bathroom use or whatever you need to wash your hands for. You can also use this when you're camping or when your child have hurt themselves, like scrapes or cuts. You can clean your wounds or cuts or bruises with this as well, to clean a affected area. Like, let's say I cut my hand, I can clean my affected area with this Dr. Bronner soap. So now I'm about to demonstrate me just washing my hands in a minute once I get everything together. Now here I'm back again at my bathroom sink. I wanted to show you how you can lift up the stopper and put some Dr. Bronners in your sink, and then you can start scrubbing it with the brush and you can get a better clean. So you'll see me demonstrating the Dr. Bronners biodegradable soap. You always want to go with the peppermint scent because it's real therapeutic. It's also good for your inhaling. So when you're cleaning up, you're inhaling this peppermint soap, and I really like that. So just relax and watch me clean out the bathroom sink. Now time for some quick announcements. Now you'll see that the sink is real clean. I know I keep showing this. Now I'm about to get ready to show you the tub and how you can clean out your tub. But before I go into that, I want to show you how I use Dr. Bronners to as my recycled dispenser to clean and wash my body. So I wash my entire body, and you can put this on your yoni or your vagina, and it's safe, it's biodegradable. This is the only peppermint soap that I can put in my feminine parts, and you can just add water to it. And this right here is my bra that I'm washing with Dr. Bronner's soap, and you'll see me put a couple of drops, which I already had some in there, and you basically just mix it up in there and just let it soak, and then go back and scrub it with your hands and hand wash it. You can also do it that way as well with the Dr. Bronners. Now the next clip is me showing you my washer. Excuse the dirtiness. My washer is very old. I need to clean it, but it has rust. Now this is my peppermint Dr. Bronner soap, and you can use this to do laundry. So you can also wash your clothing with this as well. So you can hand wash, or you can use the laundry washer. And then this is another example of me washing my reusable urination fabric wipes with the Dr. Bronners. You can hand wash them. Now I'm about to clean out my tub, and you'll see me showing you the Dr. Bronners recycled bottle that I use for the peppermint scent. And you'll see me putting like a dime size squirts in the tub so I can get ready to clean out the tub. Okay, now I'm at my kitchen sink, and you can use your Dr. Bronner's for your kitchen, and you just add your drops of Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap, and then you just add it to the recycled Dawn dish soap bottle that you can reuse for this purpose. And then you just this is me demonstrating how I use it to clean out my kitchen sink. You can clean your whole entire kitchen with this. You can even mop your floors. You can clean the top of your stove and inside of your stove, your overtop microwave, everything. You'll see me scrubbing and cleaning everything around my kitchen sink. And again, you can reuse, you can have reusable bottles to store your Dr. Bronners in. And you definitely want to stick with the peppermint soap because It keeps pests away, the peppermint, and it also opens up your pores and your nostrils when you're cleaning. So it's so healthy to clean with this. Also, I forgot to mention, you can make it thicker and foamier by putting lesser water in it or more diluted Dr. Bronner soap, or you can make it thin. I make mine thin so I can save on it. Now you will see that it's all clean and sparkly. And also, guys, you can use this inside of your pet plants, your house plants, to keep pests away. Now I'm going to show you how you can clean your dishes with it. I basically just do a light little rinse using diluted Dr. Bronner soap, and then I add it to my dishwasher. After I have rinsed off my dishes, I put it into my dishwasher. But if you want to do a more thorough clean, you just make the Dr. Bronner soap a little bit more thicker. And then you can just completely wash your dishes with this and skip the dishwasher step. Now again, about the house plants. You can use the Dr. Bronners inside of the plant soil to keep like bugs and things like that off of your plants, off of your house plants. So you can also use Dr. Bronners for that as well. Now you'll see me demonstrating the Dr. Bronners on my kitchen counters. You can clean all your countertops with this, and you can clean your kitchen tables, kitchen countertops, and you'll see the Dr. Bronners and how I'm demonstrating my recycled Dr. Bronners that I put my peppermint scent on, and then I put it in my recycled Dawn dish soap bottle, and I basically just pour it on top of the kitchen counter, and then I just start wiping down my kitchen counter. And that rag is clean, guys. It just has spots on it from wear and tear and everyday use, but I do wash my rags. But anyways, I'm cleaning off my kitchen counter sink. Okay, you'll see how shiny it is, and you can go back over it with some clear water, but it's pretty much clean, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.